According to the latest online data, there are more than 300 million monthly active Pinterest users. A lot of businesses have realized the importance of this social media platform and started using it to drive traffic to their website and their YouTube channel. Pinterest is considered a search engine, and there are more than 2 billion monthly searches on this platform. Pinterest allows you to pin images that have a link to your website, latest article, your YouTube video, or any other links. You can have your own board and people can follow you to see your latest pins, and they can repin your pins like the share option in other social media platforms. In this video, I will show you how to use Pinterest to promote your YouTube videos to get more views and subscribers. If this is your first time here and you want to build a successful video marketing strategy and grow your business YouTube channel, start now by subscribing and clicking on the bell icon so you don't miss anything. So, how to use Pinterest to grow your YouTube channel? Let's see what's coming now. 1. How to create a video pin on Pinterest. You only need 5 steps to share your YouTube videos on Pinterest. Use the video link to get the thumbnail image by using Save from Site option, or you can create a new one using Canva. 2. Add a destination link. Add your YouTube videos link. 3. Add your title. Add your main keyword in the title. You have 100 characters limit. 4. Add your description. You have 500 characters. Be sure to use that space to target all your main keywords. 5. Use a prepared board to pin your videos. 2. Create a board specifically for your YouTube videos pins. About 70% of Pinterest users are females and 40% of new signups are men. You need to create a board dedicated to your YouTube videos so that your audience can easily find your new videos as you publish them, or if they are searching for related keywords. You should create several boards targeting each topic or keyword so that people will be able to find your content. 3. How to get traffic for your videos on Pinterest. As the first step we usually do on Google and YouTube is to find relevant keywords for your videos. All what you need is to use Pinterest's own search engine to find your target keywords. For example, if you type YTEXPERT in the search bar, you will find a lot of my videos will show up. You have to use the main keyword in the title, the description, and the text overlay of your pins. Also, you can create a board having the same keyword and put relevant videos there, and this will increase the chances that your videos will be found and will help you to get more views. 4. Stay active on the platform. You can follow people having same interests, and if you find a good pin, you can repin it from their homepage. The same concept goes here. The more you are engaging on Pinterest platform, the more people will follow you and you will get more views for your YouTube videos. 5. Create Pinterest business account. You can convert your personal account into a business account to get more control and helpful information about your audiences. You will have the analytics button where you can see how popular your pins are and your profile engagements. 6. Create attractive images or infographics. Your content should grab the attention of your audiences. Create content that stands out and always offer value for the users. You may consider outsourcing this job to stay focused on producing quality content on your YouTube channel. 7. Join Pinterest group boards. There are groups having similar interests like Facebook groups. You can join these boards and post your pins there to get more views for your videos. Search for boards having low number of contributors but high number of followers to have a better chance for your pins to be seen. 8. Consistency on Pinterest. As with other social media platforms, you have to keep adding new pins if you want to build new audiences and gain new followers. Use Pinterest to reach new audiences, stay active, and engage with other users to grow your account and get more views and subscribers for your YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Hit the thumbs up if you enjoyed today's video and let's know what you think in the comments below. I'll speak to you soon. Take care.